All right, so step number one is find a reference to pull inspiration from. It's hard to think of things to come up with on the fly, so I encourage you to use references to help you get over that hump. Some places you can find some inspiration are Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, Google, and even ChatGPT. But please be responsible when using AI to make any digital content. Okay, for step number two, isolate your points of interest. You want to find the sweet spot in your reference you want to use and expand on that idea. You can achieve this by selecting the selection tool and use the freehand gesture and draw around your subject. Once you have that selected, you want to copy and paste, which will automatically create a new layer. All right, for step number three, we're going to begin our rough sketch. Now, I'm not the best at drawing faces or anatomy in general, so I'm using this video as practice and hopefully as encouragement to get better. One thing you have to remember is that your sketch is not going to be the prettiest, but you have to stay consistent and keep creating, and it will come together. Okay, for step number four, you want to scale up and refine. You can use a variety of outline brushes, but the studio brush is the best option that comes with Procreate. So what you want to do, you want to take your sketch layer, drop down the opacity just enough so you can see the sketch, and use an outline brush or the studio brush to outline your sketch. Remember, take your time and do not rush this process, because if you do, it will show and you may not be happy with the results in the end. Okay, for step five, I'm going to call this change as you go. During this step, I add and remove a few features of the character to create a more distinct presence. This approach allows me to stay creative and express ideas spontaneously. I had the idea of incorporating some of my previous works into my character design. I genuinely love the composition and the doodle style approach. if you follow these 5 steps, I believe we're done. So now you have a concept or an idea of how to take references and create your own characters in Procreate. I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you'd enjoyed this Procreate session, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more digital art content. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until next time, keep creating and have fun with it. See you in the next one. Peace.